Uh,
Yeah, either you can either you can use the verbiage or you can use the key. So go back to the earlier screen, the table which you created, line of business table. See, here you can just use line of business key also, that's okay. Or if you want to use the verbiage, that's fine too. As long as we have reference, we'll be covered. So whatever easier for you guys, because that will give you the proper uh, verification here. And in case we get other business areas, we can always add it, because some of the business areas can be for a specific line of business too. So try that way. I think it should work for us. So we should get always unique record, because of new attribute.
so we are saying that if the allow line of business says NYS pick, it should pick all the 06. And if it says MK Medicaid, it should pick 01 all the
Correct.
claims from the
Smart.
01. And if
Yep.
it says HARP, it should pick all the whatever 11 claims, right? This is how the logic
Correct.
should work. That means if you give this, if you put a condition there, I think it should pull all the claims with respect to this. So something like this you are expecting. Okay.
Yes. 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 That will is
So
not
that
reality.
existing code, will have minimum
Will not
changes.
lose. Yeah. Correct. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Let me
So
look into this. Maybe in the UAT, I'm going to give a try and work on that.
yep.
Uh, I think I'm not going to update this table as of now. I'm going to do it individually. I'm going to create a new table, this
Yep.
particular table, and do my changes and do my all my investigation there. I'm not going to create any new tables, or I'm not going to update the existing logic there or existing stored
Yep.
procedures.
Sure. Sure. Yeah, you can verify that, and then yeah, run a like take. So David, we cannot use dev environment for any of our testing, right? Like something like this testing, is that not allowed anymore?
I'm using Dev, but you're talking about prep environment.
No, dev itself, not the prep or the UAT, because this is something new we are trying to verify, right? So we used to use dev for all these activities. Uh, can we not use just to test this code if it is
I
working?
don't know what database you're talking about.
Like we're trying to add a column on the DW integration date table, right? That is a major change. So if we use dev to verify that it is working fine, then we wanted to deploy the code in prep, that so that it doesn't break anything. But if that's not the option, then he has to create another table and then go from there.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I think we have to stick
Prep's not
with
going to have all those business things.
correct. Okay. Yeah, keep going there, Naga, from your side. Create a separate set, and then we can merge it when things are working fine.
Yeah, sure. I will try to test it in the UAT only then. Yeah, we'll do that. And this change is going to be impacting all the businesses here, not only claims.
Yep.
It's going to impact the
Right.
members as well, because in the members also it might be pulling only, I think, 06 business account, not the other accounts. So I'm going to test it in the members first, because you'll have the less records compared to the claims. Uh, I will implement this for members, and then we'll apply for we'll give my a report on that, and then we'll take it up for the claims and finance.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all, Kevin. I think